for apple, punchy and red. B is for bear who jumps on the bed. C is for cat who's chasing a ball. D is for dinosaur stopping the hall. Come on, let's all play. Learning letters a fun way. From A to Z we'll dance and sing. What an ABC adventure we bring. E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for fish that swims in a crowd. G is for giraffe, so tall and proud. H is for hippo splashing around. Come on, let's all play. Learning letters a fun way. From A to Z we'll dance and sing. What an ABC adventure we bring. I is for igloo, cold and bright. J is for jelly beans, oh what a sight. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for ladybug waving high. N is for monkey who swings on trees. N is for night filled with starry breeze. O is for octopus, wiggly and cool. P is for panda heading to school. Come on, let's all play. Learning letters a fun way. From A to Z we'll dance and sing. What an ABC adventure we bring. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rocket blasting around. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for train going through the night. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for volcano with lava in lanes. W for whale with a mighty tail. X is for xylophone singing a scale. Y is for yo-yo spinning with glee. C is for zebra, come sing with me. Now we know our ABCs, with animals, toys and honeybees. Wasn't that a fun-filled ride? Let's sing again and smile so wide.